Hello everyone. Welcome to ProjectPro. You must have noticed a feature named Learning Path on your dashboard. So, this video will guide you on how to use this feature to generate a customized learning path for yourself. If you are already familiar with the working of this feature, you can go ahead and skip this video. But we recommend you stay and watch this to the entirety. Let's log in first. After successfully logging in, you will be redirected to the dashboard. So, where can you find this feature? On the left side panel, you will be able to see the option Learning Paths. Click on the drop-down symbol. As you can see, it provides two options, Data Science and Big Data. You should choose the option according to the topics that you want to explore. For this video, let's go ahead with Data Science. You will be directed to this screen. This helps you generate a custom path to match your needs. You first need to choose your current role. For beginners, choose the title Fresher. If you have any level of knowledge, choose the appropriate title. For now, let's begin with the role of a fresher. The fields Choose what you already know, and Choose what you want to learn are optional. You can skip them if you aren't familiar with anything or are unsure of the topic to begin with. When you hit the Get Your Path button, the prompt will be displayed saying the custom learning path is generated. Click OK, and your custom path will be displayed. It will have a single or a list of projects depending on the topic you have selected. If it displays a single project, you need only that to master the selected topic. But if it displays a list, you must complete all of them to gain all the knowledge of the said topic. The complexity and the dependencies of the projects increase gradually as you progress through the list. Thus, we advise you to complete the projects in the given sequence. The Delete button over here deletes the path created. You can also edit the generated path. For that, click on the pencil symbol. Here you can edit your path. Let's say you already know linear and ridge regression and want to learn all the related topics of regression. Select those labels in the fields, choose what you already know, and choose what you want to learn, respectively. Then click on the Get Your Path button and hit OK in the displayed prompt. As you can see, the customized path is generated according to your preferences and will display only those projects related to the topic you want to learn. Here in the learning path, we've also included the option to update the path. Since we keep adding new projects according to the trending topics, the Update button allows you to refresh your learning path to include the newly added projects. So, when you've selected your goal and your custom path is generated, you can update it to check if new projects are added. Keep in mind, the new projects will only be shown in your customized path if and only if they are in line with the goal you mentioned. Also, please do not use the Update option when you are only halfway through a project. If the project has been removed from the ProjectPro website, you will lose your progress and access to the said project. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. ProjectPro, the only solution for solved industrial grade projects.